Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as a peacock on Dress to Impress. So for the makeup, the hair, and everything else is like you can customize it to your liking. So that's what I just did here. And then for the peacock effect, if you have the trendsetter crown, that's good. But if you don't have it, you can use this one too, or you can mix the both of them. And I'm just going to kind of color it green and blue, maybe this one green and then the rest like this blue color. And then I'm going to also use this one and I'm going to color that maybe blue or green. It's totally up to you like what color you'd like to use. Then for the peacock part of it, you're just going to select the feather dress. I'm going to color the first one blue, then the rest I'm going to color it green. This looks kind of plain right now, but you can add more stuff here. You can layer on some of these items if you'd like to. I'm just going to like layer on a lot of items here. I don't know how much it's gonna show, but again, I'm just going to keep layering items on top like this. Once you're done layering items, you're just going to kind of like, oh, let me add some like necklaces because it's kind of giving plain right now. Let's layer on some more. Why is there that in the middle there? Is it from this one? Yes, okay. Forgot to color that in. There we go. So yeah, this is just me layering on some stuff. I'm just trying to make it kind of like as quick as I possibly can. Okay, I think I'm good with that. Once you're done with everything, you'll just need the Valentine's Day pose, which is the Desperado one. And as you can see, you'll turn into a peacock like so. And that is how you can become a peacock on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Whoa! And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!